we just came back from our vacation from Mexico, and according to Tracy, it is
the best vacation ever!
Dumating kami sa airport ng 3 o'clock. Ang flight namin ay 5:30. And si Tracy at Jamie ay nakapajamas pa. Mula sa Canada papuntang Mexico, dalawang plane yung sasakyan namin. And we are on our first plane right now, papunta sa Calgary. So mag-stop over kami doon ng ilang oras. Dito na kami sa Mexico, kaya lang hindi nyo makikita yung daan kasi gabi kami dumating. Nung nag-book ako ng vacation, sinama ko na yung sundo sa amin sa airport, kaya very smooth yung aming biyahe. Kami lang yung sakay nitong sasakyan na to. Ito yung sasakyan galing sa resort. Oh, look at that, guys!
And the candy cane!
Oh my God! Ang ganda! Dito na kami, nakasakay kami sa cart. We are going to our room.
Wow, this is so cool! Daddy!
Yeah, bud?
Wait, Kids Club is this one.
Yeah.
Mommy!
Yeah!
This kind of looks like a place from a song.
Yep.
Nasakay kami sa cart. Tuwang-tuwa yung mga bata. Yung sinakyan namin papunta sa aming room. Malaki kasi itong resort kaya kailangan ng cart. Dumating kami dito ng 11 o'clock ng gabi. And gutom na gutom kami kasi nag-delay yung flight namin kanina. Pero pagdating namin dito, may mga restaurants pang bukas. And libre lahat ng mga pagkain dito. Tumakain kami dito sa restaurant. And bukas siya until 1 o'clock in the evening. Breakfast by the pool. And lahat ng ito ay all-inclusive. These are all a buffet. It's our first day on the resort and look at this. Ayan yung mga pools and nandyan din yung beach. And si Tracy yung cute. And si JV. Ito yung pool. Ayun lang yung beach. And si James kumuha siya ng kanyang drinks. Ayan, drinks all you can kasi. Ito si Jamie and si Tracy and binabantayan sila ni James. And ipapakita ko sa inyo guys yung itsura ng pool na ito. So dito talaga kami sa resort na ito nakatira. And ayan yung katunayan. Ito yung pool. Tingnan nyo, sobrang laki niya. At hindi lang ito yung pool niya, marami pang pool sa ibang areas. So ito yung isa sa pinakamalaking pool at katabi nito ay ang beach. Nung nag-book ako nito, tinignan ko talaga yung resort na may malaking pool at saka may mga kid areas. Tapos yung resort na malapit sa beach. So yung beach, ito siya. Ang ganda rin ng beach. So ang daming tao dito, sobra. Kasi ang ganda eh. Sobrang laki nitong pool na to all the way there. Tapos ito yung kiddie pool. And yung beach, ayun siya. So yung beach, sobrang haba din itong sakop ng resort na ito. Yan. So dito libre lahat. And nagsiset up sila dyan for New Year's Eve later. Ito yung free drinks. Kuha ka lang ng drinks kung anong gusto mo dyan. Tapos ayan, may sound system for New Year's Eve party later. Yan. Tapos may nagba-volleyball dito. Tapos may nag-jet ski.
Blue Bay.
James is having Blue Bay drink.
A bunch of liquor.
A bunch of liquor. Ang daming pwedeng gawin dito sa resort na ito. Mamayang 3 PM, may pool party dito. Grabe dito, bumabaha yung pagkain. As in, pitong restaurant, buffet siya.
Right here.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. He's heavy.
Gracias. Gracias. Meron ding kids club para sa mga bata. Para sa activity sa mga bata. Ayan. Merong ganito, merong pool, tapos may mga activities sila dito for kids. Oh, you can make piñata! Dito sa kids club, gumagawa si Tracy at Jamie ng piñata. Nakasakay kami ngayon sa cart. Ang resort kasi nito ay sobrang laki niya. So, sometimes, kailangan mo sumakay sa cart para mag-travel, para pumunta sa beach, sa pool. Tapos yung building namin dito sa dulo. Dito na kami sa aming room, which is our house for the next 7 days. Yan. So, eto siya, 2 beds. Tapos, may balcony kami. And, ayan yung sa labas namin. Nakasakay ulit kami sa cart, papunta doon sa beach. They're getting ready for the party tonight. We are on our way to a casual dinner na pina-reserve namin for New Year's Eve. Ito yung dinner namin for New Year's Eve, and for us to be able to come here, kailangan namin magpa-reserve. Pero yung mga food dito ay hindi na namin kailangan bayaran. Oh, wow! What are you guys doing? Apple juice? Meron na kaagad silang drinks. Nagulat ako.
Cheers.
Oh, wow. Look at this. So, lahat ng mga tao dito, guys, walang binabayaran sa food. Yan. Wow! Feliz Año 2025. Yung pagkain namin iba-iba kasi ang daming pagkain pwedeng pagpilian. Grabe.
I love this pasta.
Kahit dito sa labas, ang daming pagkain. Tapos itong bar na ito, 24/7 siyang bukas and right now, mayroong event sa loob. So, pwede ka pumasok dito, wala ka ring babayaran. May sumasayaw. Okay, go, go. We're going to the beach for the beach party and sobrang daming tao naglalakad. Kami nakakart kasi pagod na kami maglakad. We are at the beach party! Ay, wanna say hi? Nakahanap kami ng area na pwedeng paglaruan ng mga bata. Doon kasi kanina sa malapit sa stage, ang dami ng lasing, natatamaan sila. So nilipat namin sila dito. James' new favorite drink, it's called Blue Bay. Dito lang siya sa Blue Bay Hotel and Resort. Ang beses niya na na-order ito, pangatlo yata or pang-apat na. Oh, look at that.
Can you take one with our phone?
You're gonna have two? It's our second day here at the resort and nandito kami ngayon sa beach. Ayan lang yung pool. And eto si Jamie and si Tracy. We joined the kids club to build the sandcastle. Jamie is showing his crab dance.
Hi, Tracy. Is that fun?
Yeah.
Hi, bud.
Getting out.
Kick, 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 kick. Where's your crab dance?
This is the dinosaur.
What is it?
Yeah.
What is it, Jamie?
Minion song.
Minion song.
Buong araw kanina wala kaming ginawa kundi mag-beach at saka mag-pool lang. Hindi naman maganda yung panahon kanina kasi medyo cloudy siya. Ngayon naman ay kumakain kami sa Italian restaurant. This is a 3-course meal and kasama na ito sa binayaran namin. Ito yung first course. Ito ang soup. Mabuti na itong mga batang ito kumakain ng Italian cuisine, ng Japanese. Yan. Kaya wala kaming problema sa buffet or kaya sa mga ganitong kainan. Nasa main course na kami. Ito yung sa akin, lamb. Ito yung kay Jamie, spaghetti. Si Tracy, spaghetti din. What do you have, love?
Chicken.
Chicken, kay Jamie. Our dessert.
It's the panna cotta and the tiramisu.
Our breakfast for today. Let me see your breakfast. Oh, donut for Jamie. And ito ay croissant plus pancake. Ito naman yung breakfast namin ni James.
What?
Ang galing after kumain ng mga tao dito, pinapalitan kagad nila yung tablecloth. Dito yung mga bata sa kids club and ngayon ay gumagawa sila ng cookies.
Okay, guys, we're gonna use this, but we are gonna make teams, okay? Because we only have 3.
Doon sa kids club, pwedeng iwanan yung mga kids habang may mga activities sila. Hindi naman kasi sila makakalabas, so safe sila doon. And right now, kami ni James ay naglalakad-lakad para maipakita ko sa inyo guys yung resort. At si James naman ay kukuha siya ng coffee. So ito ang itsura ng resort sa araw. So medyo malaki talaga ito. As in, nakakapagod paglakad dito. Yan, kaya lagi kami nakakart. Ang layo pa ng ano namin, ng room namin, doon pa siya. Malayo siya sa beach. Noong una yung room namin, malapit lang sa beach, kaya lang nagpalipat kami kasi hindi maganda yung unang room namin. Tapos ito mga restaurants ito, ang daming restaurants dito, 7. Yan, ayun, 1, 2, 3, 4. May isa pa doon, may isa doon sa pinanggalingan natin, may isa doon malapit sa building namin. Tapos sa sobrang laki ng resort na ito, sumasakay kami dito sa cart. Ayan, yan may mga pasahero, 'di ba? Libre lang din yan. Ayan, sumasakay kami dyan papunta sa beach sometimes. Para kang nag-golf pero sa loob ng resort. Nakapila kami ni James dito sa House of Coffee. Akala ko may bayad. Yun pala, libre din pala dito. Oh, an ice cream! I can have ice cream too if I want. Ang galing. Lahat libre. Sorry, first time eh. Hindi, first time ko siya na-enjoy. 2 beses na ako nakapunta dito sa Mexico. Kasama ko yung mga employers ko. Pero hindi ko naranasan yung mga ganito. Kasi ang focus ko dati ay pagbabantay ng mga bata. Hindi naman bakasyon tulad nito ngayon. Tapos na yung cookie nila. Ito yung kay Tracy. Ito yung kay Jamie. Ito yung cookie nilang ginawa kanina na bake na. We're having ice cream.
It's a mix. Mine is next too.
Ngayon naman ay papunta kami sa town. I-explore namin. Umalis kami ng resort para naman ma-explore din namin yung areas dito. Sabi ni James, it reminds him of the Philippines daw. Parang Pilipinas talaga siya. Pero hindi siya matraffic katulad ng Pilipinas. Ito yung mga stores dito. Ayan, daming kainan. Oh, look at this, Tracy. Right now, we're eating Mexican
I
tacos.
made it look like a mini burrito.
Jamie's gonna eat more. Big one. Diba? Wala silang problema sa pagkain. Did you make a burrito, Trace? Let me see. Wow. Okay, here, Jamie. So I'm gonna put it closer to you. Here. He's making his own taco.
It's a burrito.
It's a burrito. You're gonna make a burrito too? Look at him. Making his own food. Be careful, okay? You don't want it falling. Ah, yummy! Good job eating Mexican food, Jamie boy. Tracy, let me see you. Let's go walk under the Christmas tree. Oh, there's mango. You love mango, guys. You wanna have some mango? Ooh. Look at that.
Coconut water, mango sweet.
Mga souvenirs. Naghahanap si Jamie ng kanyang map. Is that what you want? Pagdating namin kanina galing dun sa town, dumiretso kami dito kahit na 6 o'clock in the evening na gusto ng mga bata, mag-pool pa rin.
What's that, Jamie? Look at Tracy. Put your feet.
No, you put your head there. Oh!
See, that's better.
That's better. No, 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 no. Don't scream. Do it back, okay? Okay, 1 second. Okay.
There you go. Mommy did it.
Okay, take it. Okay, see?
See, if you can support Mommy, you can support you, Tracy.
What did you do to me?
You're a crocodile.
Okay, see? You can get... you guys are gonna hurt me. Kami na lang yung naiwan dito sa pool. Ayan, so yan, pool yan. Ayun ang beach. Pool din ito. Ito yung itsura ng dinadaanan namin sa gabi. Our dinner for tonight, lasagna for Jamie and lasagna for Tracy. This is James's food. And ito naman sa akin. Maniwala kahit sa hindi, mauubos ko yan. Our breakfast for today. And that's ready. For today's breakfast, ito yung aming mga pagkain. Na omelette dyan. Hey guys, we are going for a trip, so we are leaving really early and we are going to one of the 7 wonders of the world, and that is Chichen Itza. And look at that, Tracy and I are wearing the same dress.
First ones, please, if you smoke, don't bring any kind of tobacco product.
First stop on our trip is Chichen Cenote.
Mayans también fueron comerciantes. Mayans also wasn't a commercial people.
Chala su tesh tulong mitrushka kushtalesh.
Guana, tapos ayun yung sinkhole. Ayan, may mga nagsiswimming dyan. May mga nagsiswim dito sa cenote. Ay, nakakatakot. Grabe, sobrang taas. The other one that I've seen before is more beautiful than this. Kasi yung dati nakita ko blue water. Ito hindi eh.
Oh, and there's a waterfall.
Yeah. Ang name ng puno ay Chaka. Maganda dito. Kasama din sa tour namin ang free food and buffet style din siya.
Drugs, weapons, please don't bring with you.
Dito na kami.
Y fue la época de esplendor de esta ciudad. The splendor of the city.
Dito na kami guys. Ito yung Chichen Itza. Andito na kami sa Chichen Itza guys. Tingnan nyo naman. Ito, mga carvings on the walls ng mga Mayans. Ito yung ball court before. Yung mga bilog na yan. Diyan nilulusot yung bola. Yan yung sabi sa amin. Dito sila naglalaro. This is the Mayan calendar. Yung mga unang Mayans, ito yung ginagamit nilang calendar. Sobrang daming tao dahil this one is one of the 7 wonders of the world. And talagang binibisita ito ng napakaraming tao araw-araw. Nung dalaga pa ako, may picture ako dyan. Mag-isa lang ako. Tapos ngayon, may picture kami dyan. Isang buong family na kami. Uwi na kami at mahirap pag may dalang bata dito. Hindi pwede sa mga bata, sobrang init. If I remember it correctly, nung pumunta ako dito 14 years ago, wala pa yung mga vendor na ito dito. Pabalik na kami sa aming bus, sobrang daming tao. Yung mga bata kasi ay naiinitan na sila. Ayun, nagpapakarga na. Hindi namin masyadong naikot lahat kasi yung ibang parts ng Chichen Itza ay sarado. Yung buong Chichen Itza, kapag lalakarin mo siya, mga 4.5 hours mo siya matatapos. Kaya lang, ang binigay lang sa amin ay 1.5 hours lang. Kaya, saglit lang kami nakaikot-ikot. Yung anak ko na nasa biyahe, basa pa rin. Dala-dala niya yung mga books niya. Tracy, how many books did you bring?
I think 7 or 6.
She brought 6 or 7 books. Ang dami niyang dalang libro. All of your Dragon Girls books. How many books have you read so far?
This is my second one.
That's your second one.
Wait, I have like 3.
Pang 30 page na lang kasi simula niya lang kanina. Ganyan siya.
Get in there.
Pagdating namin sa resort galing sa aming tour ay dumiretso kagad kami sa aming dinner reservation. Ito guys, nag-reserve kami for our dinner and ito yung aming food. Steak, ayun kay James, ayun kay Tracy, and ito kay Jamie. Last day of our free breakfast kaya sinusulit na namin. Tracy, malapit na matapos. Ito ang itsura ng lobby. Yan. Okay, say playa, playa, okay? Playa, playa! Playa!
Fire, fire.
Yung ibang buildings dito may pool doon sa kanilang ground floor. Are at the beach! Our last day at the pool, so make the most of it, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, are you ready to go home, Trace? Oh, there's a bouncy castle! Go! There's a bouncy castle! Oh, I think it's for the game. So may mga activities dito for kids, may mga palaro dito sa pool.
Bouncy castle!
Yay! Oh, look at that! There are kids. Oh, those are the kids club, Tracy. They are the kids club. They're trying on the jet ski. Yeah. Oh, there's a Disney show tonight. Tonight, Disney show. Oh my. Ang galing, may laro dito, oh. Tapos, merong bouncy castle na, ayun, sa ano sila, sa pool sila, malalaglag. And then, every night, may mga program dito, pero, hindi namin ina-attendan kasi minsan, maaga kami natutulog. Ayan. And Tracy and Jamie, sasakay sila dito. Oh, diba? Ayan, nakapila si Tracy tsaka si Jamie.
Now I cheer you.
Yeah.
Bad save. Good job. You go to the next round.
Yay! Tracy!
Is that fun?
Okay, kinda. Hey. Let's go. Oh,
Look at that!
no, Canada. Let's see Mamacita. Okay. What's your name? Where are you from? Pascal from France.
Hi!
Gaston. Okay.
Tracy, look at Mama again, love. Jamie, beep, beep.
What's your name? Where are you from?
I'm Travis from Canada.
Traveling from Canada.
Wanna go under the tunnel? Okay. Oopsies!
And then your name, where are you from?
Lives from Albania.
From Albania, and the name of your older baby?
Jamie! Beep, beep, Jamie!
Are you ready? Barbara!
Jamie boy!
Okay.
Oh, di ba? Ang cute nilang tatlo. Good job, Jamie boy! Ang daming program dito for kids, hindi lang namin na-avail lahat. Oh, may aerobics din dito, oh. Oh. Merong Formula Racing dito. Ang gusto sumali ni Jamie.
Are you ready, Luna? Because you're the next one.
If that's possible, you want the red one?
I say 3. Hey, señoritos.
So
When I say
cute.
3, okay? Cuando yo diga 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's
Go!
go!
Go! Go! Si Jamie yung red. Dali, dali, dali.
This is a cheers competition, eh? Go to the next round! Otro tramposo que hubo.
Cheers to our last day in Mexico.
Touch Tracy's.
Oh, yay! Oh, are you okay, Cheers? Piña colada. Daddy has, what did you have?
Rum in it.
He has rum in it. Ours doesn't have any alcohol. Mmm. Yummy. It's our last day in Mexico and we're having Mexican dinner. Nakakatuwa, meron din silang Disney show dito. Kaya si Tracy tuwang-tuwa kasi last night na namin manonood kami ng Disney show.
This is so worth it. I thought it would
Hi everyone! Thank you so much for watching the video of my family. You know me as Rax Kelly on YouTube, but my real name is Raquel Naraway and I am a licensed realtor here in British Columbia, Canada. So, if you, your family or friends are looking to invest, buy, or sell homes here in BC, please give me a call at 778-883-2202. Again, my name is Raquel Naraway, your way to your new home.